Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create procedural iron material with scratches in Blender. First things first, we have added the Procedural BSDF node connected to the material output as shown here. So we want to set the RGB values like this. So let's lower the brightness, set the value to 0.2 and set the value of saturation. So set the metallic to 1 because it's a metallic material shown here, and you can get the results for iron material shown in our video. So just let's lower the roughness. So let's just decrease it to value 0.318 like this. We want to move on to show you something very interesting. So the IOR, I should set the index of refraction to 2.45, shown in our tutorial over there. So let's move on to show you the kind of this material and how to set some shader nodes to make it realistically. So in this video, I'm going to work on these nodes, shader nodes like this. So just Shift A. I'm gonna be adding another node, which is Voronoi texture, as shown here. So let's zoom in just a tiny bit in order to show you. For this node, we have to connect distance to the roughness. As shown here, you can see some scratches on that material of the iron. Click. Let's play around with the scale value. Make it much more bigger, as shown here. 12 or 15 or something like that. So let's increase it to 30, more than or bigger than 30, shown here, to get more detail for our material, to get some scratches onto this material. So this time I'm gonna be adding another node, which is Voronoi texture also. I'm gonna be adding some bumpiness to our material. I think I should add some bumpiness. Change to displacement in order to add some bumpiness like this, because displacement give you some bumpy appearance for this material, which is iron. Let's zoom in just a tiny bit. Let's add some other interesting shader nodes. Let's decrease the scale. Like as shown in our tutorial. Increase the scale to 24 like this, in order to get finer details for the iron material. So this time I'm gonna be adding another shader node. Choose mix shader in order to mix some shaders. Shift A, let's add a Glossy BSDF node. So I want to mix it with the principal BSDF node. So let's mix the Glossy BSDF node with the principal BSDF node as shown in our tutorial. So let's zoom in just a bit in order to see if this is iron or not. I think it's need much more enhancement, so let's increase it, control the scale. So need to be set. I think I should add the pump node. Let's unplug this. I think it's not good to do it like this. Just follow the steps in order to add much more detail and scale. This will be fine, and we have added some scratches using the Voronoi texture. I think this will be good. Try it yourself. And you can add other nodes in order to make it much more realistic. Thanks for watching.